friends, today's assignment is to pakora with air fry, and as you can see that there are three different kind of pakoras that you are seeing it. The first one is the grated one, the hash brownie, in which that we have grated the potatoes. We put on the base, and then there is a basin at the top with all the ingredients. Now it's not as dry as it looked like. It's pretty soft. It's also, like, if you can hear, crunchy, and the best part is that not much basin taste. So basin with all the spices, and then at the base is grated potato. So yeah, very good, very perfect. So this is the one way of doing pakora. Another way of doing pakora is a whole potato, and this is again fully cooked, like you can see, and also this is the base, this is actually the covering, and you also have a full potato there. This is also a good way of doing it. I personally like this way, but this is also good. This is a typical regular 101 type of pakora, in which there is a whole basin, whole covered. This is also very crispy, a little bit dry, crispy, and this is also the only thing is because there is no base potato. So if we not properly on the timing, we might overcook it, and if we overcook it, it might be a little bit burn taste come up. So that's why now in this case it's a pretty good, but there is a very big chance that we might make some mistake. In my view, if we use a grated potato and basin paste and whatever that is on the video, that is a perfect way of doing it, a very healthy, very tasty pakora. So guys, I hope you like this video. I want to give all this credit to my wife. This is her recipe, and we did this many times before, and then finally we come up with 2 or 3 different solutions, and all those are good. You can try any of this. First one, the grated potato, is a good one. If you like this my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and also click on the notification button, and keep watching my videos. There are more to come in this month of Ramadan. Happy Ramadan, and thank you very much again for watching it. Thank you. Bye.